Good morning, everyone. So, I hope you all are safe and sound. So, again, we are going to begin a new session. So, all the best, everybody. And just try to take it seriously because up to 8th, it is just general studies about physics. But now onward from ninth, you have to do little in deep. You have to understand the concepts. These are very important because it works till 12th and after that also. So these are the basics that we are learning in class ninth. So whatever I am teaching, first of all you make one physics copy separately, and these notes you write down whenever there is class. At the same time you complete your notes so that it will not be a problem afterward. Okay, so as I am teaching, you just note down all these things in your copy, so it will be easy to study. Got it, everyone? So first chapter of physics is motion. Okay, that is chapter 1 in physics. In NCERT book also it is first chapter only. That is about motion. Motion means movement. Okay, you have studied about motion and rest. So when we say that the body is moving, whenever it covers some distance, right? It covers some distance in particular time. Then we'll say that the body is moving. Got it? Now we'll start from the next topic. This all you have studied before also. That body is at rest. Rest means when it is not covering anything in any distance, but the time goes on. Time factor is always in motion. It will never stop. You know that time never stops for anything. So distance will not be covered by body, but the time goes on. Then we'll say that is rest position. And when the distance as well as time is there, then we'll say the body is in motion. Okay? Okay, so now new topic that you will study about distance and displacement. Now what is distance? That definition you start, okay, writing in your copy also. The total distance is calculated by measuring the total path or length covered by the object. Total path. Okay, like it can be in this way. The body is moving from A, then it goes to B, then it goes to C. Then if it is 5 kilometer and if it is 2 kilometer, so what will be the total distance? AB plus BC, that means 5 plus 2, 7 kilometers. So this is all about distance. Total path, wherever it is. Direction doesn't matter, any direction, but it should be from starting point to ending point. That starting point is called initial position and this ending point is called final position. Okay, so total distance from initial point to final position, that will be total distance covered by body from starting position, that is called initial position, to ending position, that is called final position. Okay, so this is distance, and always it is having unit also, so that we'll know that what is how much that distance is, like 2 kilometer, 2 meter, 2 centimeter. So these units are must. Now next is about displacement. Displacement is calculating by the difference between initial and final position. Here we are measuring, adding up A to B, B to C. What is here? Difference. Difference means that in between. So displacement is calculating by the difference between initial and final position. Like this is position A and this is position B up to 80 and this is position C. So if the boy start or anyone start walking from A to B and then comes to C. Okay, so what will be the total distance? A to B, that is 80 kilometer, and then B to C, that is 40. So 80 plus 40, that will be 120 kilometer. So that will be the distance. Total distance we are taking total. Now if it is asked what will be the displacement from A to C, So A to C, what will be the displacement? Displacement is calculated by final position minus initial position. So final position, if it is 40, initial position 0, so it will be 40 minus 0, and the displacement comes 40 kilometer. So displacement is a shortest distance covered by a body. Okay, the other definition is also there of displacement. The shortest distance covered by a body. Like if it is, another example you see, A, B and the C. Now what is the shortest distance? This is the initial position and this is the final position. The distance we can calculate in this way, AB plus BC. But displacement as we know that it is the shortest distance covered by a body, that means initial position to final position. So from A to C directly we will measure displacement. So if it is 6 kilometer and this is 3 and this is 3. So what will be the displacement? A to C. This is okay, A to C, that difference. So displacement is 6 kilometer. Because displacement we are seeing shortest distance covered by a body, or if it is in this way, initial position, final position. And if it is asked that a boy covers A to B, it comes A to B, so displacement will be 80. But again B to A, so A to B, that is 80, then again B to A, that is also 80, so it will be 0. If we are starting from this point and again coming back to the same point, then displacement becomes 0. Okay, keep this in mind. So because it is the difference between, so AB minus BA, so AB is 80, BA is also 80. 80 minus 80, that is 0. So that will be the displacement. Okay.